is Friday face mask time, and the face mask in question is this. So it's by the brand Your Good Skin. I'm sure this is a Boots brand, and it is Cica Repair Sleep Paste. Hi there guys, and welcome. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video is Friday face mask time, so let's get to it. The face mask we are doing today is this. So this is, I'm sure this is a Boots brand own, I'm sure it is. But this is Your Good Skin, and it's a Cica Repair Sleep Paste. It says for all skin, it strengthens and helps repair the skin's barrier. Right, so just to show you the consistency of the mask, just gonna pop some on my hand. So there it is there. So it looks thicker than what it is, and it feels like an ointment. The smell, it's not bad, it's a bit like a ointmenty type of smell, but yeah, it feels kind of a bit greasy when you first put it on. So yeah, very excited to show you. I have footage of me putting this on last night, because obviously it's a sleep paste, you sleep in it. So yeah, before we get to that, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know if I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. It just says on the back of the product how to use it. It just says before bed, use a soft applicator to apply a layer across your face. Leave for 5 minutes and see the paste absorb into the skin. Massage in the excess in the morning, wake up and instantly have healthier looking skin. So yeah, let's have a look at the footage and see what happened. Hello. It is time to take my face off, literally, and it's not pretty. Prepare yourself. See, told you, ain't pretty at all. But yeah, it's time to pop the mask on, and I'm going to pop it on with my spatula. And the information about the product just says it's formulated with Cica, green tea and vitamin C. This overnight sleep paste helps to strengthen and repair skin barrier, leaving skin looking bright and feeling calmer for your first sleep. This formula is dermatologically tested and is suitable for all skin types. Wake up in the morning to instantly healthier looking skin. Let's see about that. Now it's time for beddy buys. So I've just got out of bed. I haven't washed my face or anything like that. I really didn't want to get out of bed. So yeah, I thought I'd show you before I wash my face. This is what it looks like. It feels quite soft. It feels all right. I am just gonna go in the bathroom and wash my face. And yeah, I'll be back in a moment once my face has been washed to see what my skin looks like. Probably no different, but you know, we'll check to see. And there we go, face is all washed. I've just popped my little hairband in there while I was washing my face. But yeah, this is what my skin looks like. It feels nice. It's not the best mask that I've ever used before, but it certainly was pleasant. I think it's one that I'd definitely keep on my bedside table. I don't think I'll go through the rigmarole of using the spatula to pop it on. I'll just pop some in my hands and pop it on before I go to bed. But my skin feels pleasant enough, and it certainly has a nice glow to it. Yeah, not bad for a very affordable mask. I'm just gonna pop my makeup on and see how my makeup lays on my skin. Again, there shouldn't really be any problem there, but let's just whack it on to see. Right, so I am back. I've put my makeup on. It went on very nicely indeed. I must say, like I've said previously, it's not the best mask I've ever used, but it certainly is pleasant. I will definitely continue using this nightly until it's all gone. The price is very affordable indeed, so that is definitely a plus. If you are interested in purchasing this for yourself, I'll leave a link in the information box for you and the comment box. So it's from Boots. Definitely go treat yourself. As I say, it's not bad at all. I just wish the scent on it was a bit more pleasant, just to give it that extra luxe feel. But yeah, overall it gets a thumbs up. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.